Modern Threats, Dystopian Future. My name is Serhiy. I'm from Ukraine. You can see my Twitter. Many of you subscribed already or seen my tweets anyway. Unimaginable data leaks. Modern threats become sophisticated every day with unimaginable landscape of data leak and information infiltration, despite various protection we might have in place, such as antiviruses, updated workstations, EDR, or some enterprise solutions that can protect us. And recently I dived into threat hunting and was overwhelmed with potential that adversaries have in their offensive arsenal. They frequently focused on remote code execution and tend to exploit victims' infrastructure to retrieve all secrets they are interested in, and in a way that every year we have more and more CVE assigned and critical issues that becomes public, we can find easily exploit to different kind of vulnerabilities, SQL injection, XSS attacks, for someone it's just a game. They practice like capture the flag events, different competitions, and become more and more powerful every day, and not every exploit public, obviously, and hard to say if your updated system vulnerable or not. And companies invest budget into protection and have rota of incident responders to monitor their network traffic. But for us, who monitor our traffic or even who enable DNS log on their workstation, by default it's disabled, and even when you enable it, you need time to investigate if something happening on your system, something unusual, and with all this overwhelming information, it's hard to deselect what is good and what is suspicious in your system. Your emails, messenger history, saved files, passwords, all may occur in hands of cyber criminals. How can we protect ourselves and minimize exposure of data breach? First point would be to cite Sun Tzu, Art of War. Know yourself. Make assessment of everything you are going to protect. Your mobile phones, tablets, USB drives, whatever you have important in your system, you need have listed because it's hard to protect when you are unsure what needs to be protected, or even more if you're trying to protect everything. It's impossible. So you need to make some preparation, risk analysis, and evaluation how much you are going to invest into security. Next step would be removing all sensitive data from internet-connected devices, cloud storages, and if you need to save the data, archive it with strong encryption. For example, your email account may contain a lot of historical data that you never use anymore, but when it becomes public, you even wouldn't notice because two-factor authorization not implemented, or it has some faults that allow a threat actor to get data anyway. So if you don't need some emails, all the emails deleted, and the same with files, folders, pictures, screenshots, whatever you have that you don't wish to become public tomorrow, delete or encrypt. And last but not least, you need to implement control lifecycle of your data, have some logging, security controls with restrictions, role-based, or some different security controls that have implementation in enterprises, but you can implement for your home workstation and for personal devices. Also would be helpful to follow some recommendations from security agencies, public security agencies. They have guidance and advices how to improve your security controls for small business and for personal use. Any questions, please? Yes? Companies invest big budgets to protect resources and have other resources to monitor any anomaly, any unusual activity, and track what is going on. And they constantly improve this process. But for us, for personal use, it's only us who is responsible for our data, and you need to be prepared. Whatever controls you put, that all your files will be public and indexed by search engines, and just try to minimize risk exposure and follow best practices. Any other questions? So to summarize, be prepared that all your private information be public tomorrow or in the nearest future, because more and more power on red team side. Red team should be successful only once, and blue team should monitor like constantly. One mistake and file's gone. Practice data sanitization. Clean up after yourself and improve your security posture. Thank you. Yeah. Few hours ago, I didn't expect I'd be presenting. Thanks to James. Quickly created this presentation. And yeah, sure. I hope you like it. Thank you.